This is moment 3 of learning evidence. 10 advantages of e-learning. Learning is more effective than with the traditional method. It's more effective and interactive. You have time to digest the information and answer. Improved communication among apprentices. Ability to conduct an open discussion. The apprentices have the same position in discussion. Access to information. Ability to discuss without restricted time, greater motivation, and greater participation of students. Comparison between traditional learning and e-learning. Classroom discussion. In traditional learning, the teacher usually speaks more than the student. In e-learning, the students talk at least as much as or more than the teacher. Learning process. In traditional learning, the learning is conducted with the whole class participating. There is almost no group or individual study. In e-learning, most of the learning process takes place in groups or by the individual student. Subject matter. In traditional learning, the teacher conducts the lesson according to the study program and the existing curriculum. In e-learning, the student participates in determining the subject matter. The student is based on various sources of information, including web data, banks, and net experts located by the student. Emphasis in the learning process. In traditional learning, the students learn what and not how. The students and the teacher are busy completing the required subject matter quota. The students are not involved in inquiry-based education and in solving problems, but rather in tasks set by the teacher. In e-learning, the student learns how and less what. The learning includes research study which combines researching for all collecting information from web data, banks and authorities on the communication network. The learning is better connected to the real world. The subject matter is richer and includes material in different formats. Motivation. In traditional learning, the student motivation is low and the subject matter is distant from them. In e-learning, the student's motivation is high due to the involvement in matters that are close to them and to the use of technology. Teacher's role. In traditional learning, the teacher is the authority. In e-learning, the teacher directs the student to the information. Location of learning. In traditional learning, the learning takes place within the classroom and the school. In e-learning, the learning takes place with no fixed location. Lesson structure. In traditional learning, the teacher dictates the structure of the lesson and the division of time. In e-learning, the structure of the lesson is affected by the group dynamics. Thank you.